Welcome to another tip of the week. This time we're talking about the battery pack associated with the Ecotemp L5 hot water heater. So this is actually a portable water heater system that off-grid ships with these trailers, and at the factory they actually install a couple of D-cell batteries. Now, these D-cell batteries do a couple of things. One, they handle the igniters, so when you turn the furnace on and you run water through it, you hear the clicking noise. That's the igniters going off. But it also powers a solenoid which keeps the combustion running. So when these batteries start to go out, what you'll notice is you'll hear the clicking, you'll hear the water going through it, you probably have good gas going through it, but it won't ever actually catch. Like, it won't actually ignite the propane going through it. So when those moments happen, what that traditionally means is the batteries are flat. So I just experienced this recently, went out on a camping trip, and I was getting no hot water, although everything was running through. So I reached out to tech support, and they were like, yeah, if your system is a year older or longer, then you probably need to replace the batteries. Because anytime you turn this furnace on, even when you leave it on while you're camping, it's still powering that solenoid. So it is drawing from the batteries. So just as a tip of the week, it's good to carry a couple of extra D-cell batteries, and they just literally install in here, so that if you ever have a situation where your hot water heater is not lighting the propane, that's probably what it is. Hopefully this has been helpful to everybody out there that owns one of these things. Thanks.